lords, it's a report prepared by the present superintendent of police, your lordship. The third paragraph, last line. Third paragraph, last line, my lord.
Yes.
जख्म जांच प्रतिवेदन में दिनांक 18/11/22 तक जख्मी का एक्सरे रिपोर्ट प्राप्त नहीं होने का उल्लेख करते हुए चिकित्सक द्वारा जख्मों को कड़े एवं भोथड़े पदार्थ से कारित साधारण प्रकृति का पाया गया, लॉर्डशिप. They say that they don't have the X-ray report, your lordship, and they said they have given it to me because I was in. My lord, I was sent to them. I was sent on a
They
demand.
cannot say. They nowhere say on affidavit.
No, in the morning they said that it was received by Deepak Dwivedi, your lordship.
It was the statement of the civil surgeon.
Yes, my lord. But now, my lord, I was in jail.
Confronted with the register,
My lord,
and he had backed out.
my lord, I will answer this question, my lord. My lord, I was sent pursuant to an order by the judicial magistrate. I was in their custody, my lord. The only thing I was made to receive is that is annexure P/4, which I have brought on my writ petition, my lord. My lord, page 37, your lordship. Page 37, my lord. My lord, I was in their custody, my lord. Page 37, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, my lord, this was the only report which I was made to available, your lordship.
Yes.
And on the next, or 2-3 days after, your lordship, as page 40 of my application, my lord, writ application, my lord, I move an application to the chief judicial magistrate seeking a direction upon the concerned individual to bring on record the injury report, your lordship. Now, your lordship in this case has called a report from the chief judicial magistrate, and he has stated in his report that for last 5 years, he is seeking the injury report from the concerned SP, SHO, etc., civil surgeon. Same is not being available, your lordship.
Yes.
Now, just one last submission, your lordship. Now, my lord would kindly see P/2 of my writ application, your lordship. P/2, your lordship. My lord, page 34. Page 34, your lordship. P/2, your lordship.
Yes.
Now, your lordship would see that pursuant to my application, an approval was granted to me for holding a demonstration. A magistrate, Prateek Kumar, Sah Prasar Paradhikari, was deputed.
Yes. Yes.
Police personnel was also made. And now, my lord would see the charge sheet which they have filed, your lordship. My lord, he is not even one of the witnesses who was present who was deputed to be present on the date of occurrence. And my lord, there is a demonstration, there is a peaceful demonstration. Demonstration is ending. I am leaving for Gorakhpur, your lordship. Uske 6 mahine baad, my lord, I come to attend a Bharat, your lordship. And in the Bharat, your lordship, they come and they handpick me, your lordship. And I am made to handcuff, your lordship. My lord, all the guidelines of D.K. Basu or all the judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court has been thrown to dustbin, your lordship. Now, your lordship, on the date when the petitioner was arrested, your lordship, my lord, I have made a specific allegation.
Charge sheet is at page?
I am so sorry, my lord. It's page 15 of the counter of the DYSP, your lordship. Annexure B, my lord.
On behalf of the petition, SP, right?
Sir, file किया है DSP साहब ने.
Yes.
My lord would straight away come to page 17, my lord. There are, although 11 individuals who have been stated to be witnesses to the occurrence, your lordship. Prateek Kumar, who is a duty magistrate appointed for this very purpose, he is not even a witness, your lordship. 4 हवलदार लोगों का, गृह रक्षक वाहिनी लोगों का state, they have made them. My lord would see who all are the witnesses, your lordship. Mrityunjay Kumar, the STO who has granted me approval, and the person who has filed the FIR. And my lord, the FIR is so false. In 5 places.
Mrityunjay Kumar seems to be the person of dubious character. He has lodged a false FIR.
My lord,
false statement.
My lord,
yes, SP has admitted to that extent that yes, the first allegation saying that without any permission this procession was.
Not one place, my lord, 5 जगह बोले हैं बिना अनुमति के, in FIR, your lordship. He says that 5 places बिना अनुमति के, बिना अनुमति के, बिना अनुमति के, lordship. At 5 places, not one place, your lordship. And that after 24 hours, your lordship. There is absolutely no communal disturbance, your lordship. My lord, I am a resident of that place, your lordship, and that area, Ambedkar Chowk, is one of the most peaceful and one of the most crowded places, your lordship. And a statement is being made that I am trying to create communal disharmony, your lordship. My lord, with greatest of respect, my lord, nothing can be further from truth, your lordship. And my lord, there is no communal disturbance, your lordship, pursuant to my speech, your lordship. Let them show that I made a single statement which has created or which has widened the differences between the community, your lordship. And for what purpose I was demonstrating, your lordship? I was demonstrating against the police brutality, your lordship. And I am mated with the same fate, your lordship. I am a young boy, your lordship. I am a political activist, your lordship. I have absolutely clean antecedent, your lordship. And I am being targeted, your lordship. And my lord, the then SP, my lords, and my lord, I have stated in my writ application the manner in which I was brutally tortured, your lordship. From one place, Gopalganj to Thane, which is almost 7 to 8 kilometers, your lordship. First, they arrest me from Bhitverwa, which is near to Gopalganj, your lordship. I am being brought to Gopalganj police station. There are a lot of people gathered, your lordship. Then
No, any notice under
they have been
51?
no notice, your lordship.
No notice.
Straight away, I have been picked up, your lordship.
Now see your position. This charge sheet has been filed under which provision? All this, what is the maximum punishment under these provisions?
Less than 7 years old.